Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Stephen Miller, the former senior advisor to President Donald Trump, who became one of the most controversial figures in U.S. politics. Over the years, Miller has faced both criticism and praise for his policies. But recently, fans and critics alike have been asking, is Stephen Miller gay? Let's break it all down. Stephen Miller is an American political advisor born in 1985, who rose to prominence as one of Donald Trump's most influential speechwriters and policy strategists. Known for his role in shaping hardline immigration policies, such as the travel ban, Miller quickly became one of the most recognizable and divisive figures in Washington during Trump's presidency. Speculation about Miller's sexuality largely comes from online rumors and the public's curiosity about such a high-profile figure. Because of his reserved personal life and the polarizing attention surrounding him, many have speculated about aspects of his private world. However, these assumptions are not based on any confirmed facts. Is Stephen Miller gay? No, Stephen Miller is not gay. He has been married to Katie Waldman, now Katie Miller, since 2020. Katie herself was also involved in politics, serving as press secretary for Vice President Mike Pence. The couple also has children together. Despite the rumors that surface online, Miller has only ever publicly identified as heterosexual. Stephen Miller remains a powerful voice in conservative politics today, running America First Legal, a group that promotes many of the policies he once pushed in the White House. When it comes to the speculation about his sexuality, the facts are clear. He is straight, married, and a father. The rumors don't have any verified basis. They mostly stem from the spotlight that comes with being such a controversial figure.